Alright guys, so for today's video we went over and got our registration numbers for our kayaks, and we need to put our numbers on the boat. So I'm going to show you guys how to apply a typical vinyl decal. This will also work for just decals in general, but more specifically this is going to be for your registration number. First things first, you always have to clean and prep the area. That's the most important part. Once that's done, you can apply the decal and you're set. Alright, so that's how you apply your decals. We did one on each side. We went with a font style that we tried to match with Crescent. We actually made the decals ourselves. If anyone's interested, I'll put a link below. This is Outdoors, got hers done too. She went with white. Very nice, she did a great job. Alright, now get on the water.